In this course, starting from ground zero, I'm going to show you how to build an iOS app called Test Drive. It includes sound, animation, and a control. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to build and run the Test Drive Xcode project. Don't worry, I'll explain all of this in detail, but for now I want to give you a preview of what's in store. You can see why this app's called Test Drive, and it even comes with its own icon. You can download the complete source code for this app. If you downloaded the course, you'll find the resources file link on the course's product page. Just click on the link to download the files you want. Although this app really doesn't do much, it does provide the foundation for you to build your own apps. And in this course, I'm going to cover a lot of things. I'll start with how to register as an iOS developer and also explain the iOS developer program. I'll show you how to download and install Xcode, and then using an Xcode project template, I'll build and run an iOS app. I'll add an application icon and the sound and graphics resources to the project that I'll need. Then I'll explain the iOS Software Development Kit, or SDK as it's called, and how it's organized and how you need to work with it. Then I'll show you how to create the user interface for the Test Drive app using a storyboard. I'll connect up the elements in the graphical user interface with my code by using outlets and actions, and then I'll be ready to add the code. But before I get into coding, I'll explain what you need to know about Objective-C. Then the real fun begins. I'll show you how to animate the car to move it up the screen, rotate it 180 degrees, move it back down the screen, and rotate it again so it's facing the way it was when you started. To finish up animation, I'll show you how to make the button blink. Once everything is moving the way it should, I'll show you how to add the screech sound when the car takes off, and then the ongoing sound of the car running as it moves up and back down the screen. A lot of stuff I know, but not quite as daunting as it might appear. And the one thing you should always keep in mind, especially if things get a little frustrating, is that it's supposed to be fun. And it will be, I promise.